Hello everybody, welcome to the channel. I'm so excited to have you here with me today because we're about to embark on an adventure that starts long before we ever step foot in a new country or city. You see, travel isn't just about the destination, it's about every moment leading up to it, every little detail that builds anticipation and excitement, and that's what today's episode is all about, the journey before the journey. Welcome back to the channel, where we celebrate not just the places we go, but the experiences that get us there. Whether you're a seasoned globetrotter or planning your very first trip, you know that feeling, the butterflies in your stomach as you zip up your suitcase, the thrill of checking your passport one last time, and the rush of stepping into the airport, ready for anything. Think about it, the journey truly begins the moment you close your front door behind you. Every step, from rolling your suitcase down the driveway to navigating the bustling airport terminal, is part of the adventure. It's those early morning taxi rides, the anticipation in the air, and the sense of possibility that makes travel so magical. Even before you board the plane, you're already collecting memories. Of course, airports can sometimes feel overwhelming. Long lines, security checks, and the constant hum of announcements can turn excitement into stress in a heartbeat. But what if we could flip the script? What if instead of dreading the airport, we looked forward to it as the first chapter of our adventure? Imagine an airport that welcomes you with open arms, a place where you can relax, explore, and even have a little fun before your flight. What if the airport experience set the tone for your entire trip, filling you with excitement and wonder instead of anxiety? I like to think of a smooth airport experience as the perfect appetizer before a magnificent meal. It's that first taste that gets your senses tingling, prepares you for what's to come, and makes everything that follows even more delicious. From savoring a great meal in a cozy lounge, to finding a quiet corner to read or people watch, these moments can be just as memorable as the trip itself. Today, I want to take you on a tour of some of the world's best airports, places that have mastered the art of turning a potential headache into a highlight of your journey. These airports aren't just transit points, they're destinations in their own right, filled with unique features, incredible amenities, and experiences that make you wish your layover was just a little bit longer. So, pack your imaginary bags, grab your boarding pass, and let's get going. Whether you're dreaming of your next big trip or just love the thrill of travel, join me as we explore the airports that make the journey just as unforgettable as the destination. Let's discover how the adventure truly begins before you even take off. Let's start with Singapore Changi, an airport that feels more like a five-star resort than a traditional travel hub. From the moment you set foot inside, you're greeted by a sense of wonder and tranquility that's rare in the world of air travel. Changi isn't just a place to catch a flight, it's a destination in itself designed to delight and surprise at every turn. The moment you walk in, there's a sense of calm and order, the air feels fresh, the lighting is soft, and the gentle hum of activity is never overwhelming. Unlike the chaos you might expect at a major international airport, Changi welcomes you with open arms and a soothing atmosphere, making even the busiest travel days feel manageable. The check-in process is seamless, with intuitive automated kiosks and incredibly helpful staff. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or it's your first time flying, the technology here is designed to make your journey as smooth as possible. Staff members are always nearby, ready to assist with a smile, ensuring that any questions or concerns are addressed immediately. The design of the check-in halls, with high ceilings and natural light, makes you feel like you're in a botanical garden. Lush greenery, vibrant orchids, and even vertical gardens line the walkways, creating a sense of peace and connection to nature that's almost unheard of in an airport setting. It's a breath of fresh air, literally and figuratively. Even during peak hours, the lines move with a steady rhythm, thanks to a masterclass in logistics. The flow of people is carefully managed, so you never feel rushed or crowded. It's clear that every detail has been considered, from the placement of signage to the layout of the counters, all working together to keep things moving efficiently. I remember checking in for a flight here in less than 10 minutes. It was almost surreal. No frantic dashes, no long waits, just a quick, pleasant process that left me with plenty of time to explore everything Changi has to offer. It's the kind of experience that makes you rethink what airport travel can be. With extra time, you can explore the butterfly garden or watch a movie in their free cinema. The airport is filled with unique attractions, from rooftop swimming pools to art installations, interactive play areas for kids, and even a slide that spirals down several stories. There's always something new to discover, whether you're traveling alone or with family. Changi caters to everyone. From families to solo travelers, ensuring a tailored and smooth experience. There are quiet zones for those who need to rest, vibrant play areas for children, and a wide variety of dining options that range from local Singaporean favorites to international cuisine. No matter your needs or preferences, you'll find something here that makes your journey more enjoyable. Art and culture are woven into the very fabric of the airport. Interactive installations, themed gardens, and rotating exhibitions mean that every visit feels a little different. It's not just a place to pass through, it's a place to linger, to explore, and to be inspired. It's not just about being fast, it's about the quality of the experience. The lounges are luxurious, the seating areas are comfortable, and even the public spaces feel thoughtfully designed. Whether you're waiting for a flight or just arrived, you'll find plenty of spots to relax, recharge, and enjoy the moment. Arrive early on purpose. Changi is a destination in its own right. Many travelers plan extra time here just to enjoy the amenities, shop at world-class boutiques, or simply take in the sights. It's the rare airport where you might actually wish for a longer layover. It proves that an airport can be efficient and a place of joy. The smiles on travelers' faces, the laughter of children, and the sense of ease in the air all speak to the magic of Changi. It's a place where travel stress melts away, replaced by excitement and comfort, and for that, it easily makes our list. Changi Airport isn't just a gateway to Singapore, it's a world-class experience that sets the standard for airports everywhere. If you ever have the chance to pass through, make sure to savor every moment. You might just find yourself wishing your journey could last a little longer. Our next destination brings us to the heart of Japan, Tokyo's Haneda Airport, a shining example of what happens when tradition meets innovation. As you approach Haneda, the city's energy is palpable, yet the airport itself feels like an oasis of calm amid the urban rush. Haneda is a model of efficiency and grace, seamlessly blending the fast pace of a global hub with the serene orderliness that Japan is famous for. The moment you step inside, you're greeted by a sense of tranquility that's rare in major airports. The terminal's layout is meticulously organized and incredibly intuitive, designed to guide travelers effortlessly from one point to another. Clear multi-language signage ensures that whether you're a first-time visitor or a seasoned traveler, you'll never feel lost or overwhelmed. Every sign, every symbol is thoughtfully placed to make navigation second nature. Security lines, often a source of stress elsewhere, move with impressive speed here. The staff operate with synchronized precision, guiding passengers with a gentle efficiency that feels almost choreographed. There's a sense of mutual respect between staff and travelers, making the process smooth and even pleasant. At the check-in counters, you'll find the hallmark of Japanese hospitality, staff who are not only courteous and professional, but also genuinely eager to help. Their attention to detail and commitment to service mean that even the busiest moments feel calm and controlled. Whether you're checking in for a domestic flight or an international journey, the process is swift and stress-free. Cleanliness is another area where Haneda truly excels. The terminal gleams with spotless floors and pristine surfaces maintained by a dedicated cleaning staff who work quietly in the background. This commitment to hygiene not only creates a welcoming environment, but also contributes to a sense of well-being and order that permeates the entire airport. The airport's design cleverly separates departing and arriving passengers, minimizing congestion and confusion. Clearly marked pathways and distinct zones ensure that everyone knows exactly where to go, reducing stress and making the entire experience more enjoyable for all. Unlike some airports that rely on flashy attractions or extravagant amenities, Haneda proves that true excellence lies in perfecting the fundamentals. The waiting areas are minimalistic yet comfortable, filled with natural light and thoughtfully arranged seating. Here, travelers can relax, recharge, and prepare for their journeys in peace. What truly sets Haneda apart is the respect it shows for every traveler's journey. From the polite bows of the staff to the thoughtful touches throughout the terminal, you feel valued and cared for at every step. It's a level of hospitality that leaves a lasting impression, inspiring respect and gratitude in return. In the end, Haneda offers more than just a place to catch a flight. It delivers a harmonious travel experience that sets the standard for airports worldwide. Here, efficiency, cleanliness, and genuine hospitality come together to create a journey that's as memorable as the destination itself. Now to Munich, Germany, where efficiency meets warmth and charm. The check-in counters are streamlined, with fantastic multilingual staff. The signage is bold and clear, using a brilliant color coding system. The Munich Airport Center offers a break from the sterile airport environment. The efficiency of the check-in process is top-notch, even during busy seasons. Waiting time displays for security checkpoints give you a sense of control. Munich Airport feels designed by travelers, with solutions for little annoyances. From clear signage to friendly staff, everything is geared towards a pleasant start to your journey. It's German engineering with a human heart. Our fourth stop is Zurich Airport, a gateway to Switzerland's precision and punctuality. The navigation is easy with a logical and linear layout. The check-in hall is bright, with all airlines clearly marked. Zurich's integration with the Swiss railway system is a game-changer. You can check in your luggage at major train stations, removing the hassle of suitcases. The self-service kiosks and automated bag drop systems are efficient. Relaxing at Zurich Airport is pleasant, with comfortable seating and great shops. The feeling you get is one of confidence in a stress-free journey. Zurich Airport delivers on its promises with flawless execution. Finally, Seoul Incheon International Airport, a technological marvel. The check-in process is a showcase of advanced technology with smart kiosks and automated bag drop machines. The staff focus on helping people, adding a warm touch to the tech. The passenger flow is a work of art, with spacious terminals and wide pathways. Incheon uses data to predict passenger traffic and adjust resources in real time. Robots add a touch of fun and wonder to the experience. The atmosphere is bright and modern, with cultural performances and gardens. Incheon is constantly innovating, building the future of travel. It's a perfect, forward-looking airport to round out our list. And there you have it, 5 airports that are a pleasure to travel through. They remind us that travel is about the entire journey, and a little kindness, efficiency, and smart design make all the difference. Now I would love to hear from you. What are your airport experiences? Share your stories in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching and sharing this journey with me. If you enjoyed it, please give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more adventures. Until next time, happy travels.